Hi guys, we are at Speedway Boulevard and Country Club Road. This one's got some new stuff here, apart from those little crosswalk signals here. Wow. Look how awesome that is. This got some wild bees over here. That thing is gonna go off any second. Oh, this one's pretty quiet too. I can barely hear it. Let's see what that sounds like. This has also got a new one too, but it's also got some sticky pieces here. That actually looks a lot better now that I've taken care of it. Alright. That didn't work yet. The lot sign already went off over there. I want to hear what this one says. I just don't know what it sounds like, but that thing right there might go off at any second. Don't know how long. Oh! Well, that sounded